Hello everybody, this is Teacher Dallas and today I'm going to help you to tell the time. This is super important because telling the time is something that we can use every day, and it might seem like a very small thing, but if you can be confident with spelling the time, it helps you to, talk to strangers, talk to the teacher, talk to your friends, and yeah, I just think it's an important skill to have. Also, this is going to be on the speaking test. So you need to be good at this to get a good result on the test. I think in Vietnamese, you guys know how to tell the time. So that's already really good. So we just need to learn how to do it in English. The first example is really good because it's easy. If you look at a real clock, you can see there are two hands. There is a long hand and a short hand. That's right. So if the long hand is straight up and the small hand or the short hand is on a number, that means we are on o'clock. So here it's 3 o'clock. If the small hand was on 1, it would be 1 o'clock, or 2 o'clock. You guys understand that, right? Okay. What I want to talk about today are the minutes, because the hour is easy. Look at B. How would you tell the time for picture B? Well, let me tell you what I would write. I would write 8:30. 8:30 means 30 minutes. Because, everyone, how many minutes are there in 1 hour? In 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. So if we have 30 minutes, that is a half. That's 30 minutes. So if it is 30 minutes, I think it's really good if you can say 8:30. You can also say 30 minutes past 8. That's also okay. But I want you to talk naturally. I want you to talk how I would talk. So for this one, for B, I'm going to say 8:30. And my text is a little bit too big, so just make it smaller. There we go. Perfect. For this activity, just writing the numbers is okay, but if you want to practice writing the real word, then that's even better. So I'll do that. That looks better, right? It's a bit too long, but it's okay. The next one, I don't have the real book with me. I just have this picture. So unfortunately, I can't do this one because I literally cannot see the time. So let's just go to the next one. Oh, actually, I forgot to talk about something on B. In B, we don't actually know if this is in the morning or if this is at night. Very good. Or evening is also okay. Because this one is just a 12-hour clock. A 12-hour clock is when the numbers only go from 1 to 12. So we don't know if it's the morning or the evening. However, if you look at D, they wrote 19. And who knows what hour 19 is? It's 7. That's right. So if you see 7, you know it's 7 o'clock. That's on the 12-hour clock. But if you see 19, you need to remember that that is 7. So we know it's 7. The hour is 7. But the minutes, what would you say for the minutes? Well, lots of people will say 7:15. Again, that's okay. But that's not what I would say. A lot of people will say 15 minutes past 7. Again, that is also really good. That's also okay. But what I would say is I would say 7:15. Again, let's do some maths. How many minutes are there in 1 hour? 60 minutes. Very good. So let me ask you a question. How many minutes are there in a quarter of 1 hour? There are 15 minutes. So if we see that the time is 15 minutes past, we can say quarter past and then the hour. So for this one, I would say it's 7:15. So just change this first one here. 7:15, and again, I'm going to write the full word here, 7:15. Perfect. Okay, very good. Let's keep going because I don't want this video to be too long. E. Okay, E, again, we are on a 12-hour clock or a 24-hour clock, everybody? 12-hour clock, very good. So we don't know if this is the morning or if it's the evening, but it doesn't matter. The time is still the same, really. So again, we can see very clearly that the hour is 9. Perfect. But now we cannot say past because the word past is from 1 minute to 30 minutes. We say 1 minute past 9 if it's like this. Or 9 minutes past 9. 25 minutes past 9. 30 minutes past 9. 9:30. But if it looks like this, from 31 to 59, we're going to use the word 2. And we're going to talk about the next hour. So in this example, the hour now is 9. So everybody, after 9, what is the next hour? 10. Perfect. And if the minute is 45 minutes right now, how many minutes are there until the next hour? Well, remember there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. We have 45 minutes already, so we need how many more minutes? 15 minutes. So here, I would say it's 15 minutes to 10. It means in 15 minutes, it will be 10 o'clock. It's 15 minutes to 10. Perfect. Or again, if you remember a quarter, we could say quarter to 10, because a quarter means 15. So again, I'm going to write the full words out like this, and I'm going to write quarter to 10. Okay, very good. Everyone, there's one more, but it's not very clear. It looks like this hand is on 10 or coming up to 10, and this one is on 35. So again, let's just go through this one nice and quickly. If it's 35, that means we're going to use the word 2. That's right. And the small hand is coming up to 10. So if we write it, it looks a little bit like this. I think. It's very hard for me to see on my laptop. So what would you say for this one? Well, again, I can see that we are going to use the word 2, and we are 25 minutes away from the next hour. So I'm going to say 25 minutes to 10, because that 10 is the next hour. There we go. Perfect. Everyone, I think these examples are quite okay, but for telling the time, we just need to do examples. So many examples so that you think, okay, I really, really feel comfortable with this, and I really understand this. So this is just to help you a little bit, but we are definitely going to have to do more examples. Okay, everybody, so good job, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.